Assalamualaikum kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Children, this is your English reading book and the name of this book is Phonic Reader Book 2. Children, today I am going to read you page number 54. So open the page number 54 and read with me. Children, here are given some chair words and this is phonogram. So now let's start the reading. CHIN chin, CHIP chip, CHOP chop, CHUM chum, CHAT chat. Now let's read again. CHIN chin, CHIP chip, CHOP chop, CHUM chum, CHAT chat. SUCH such, MUCH much, BUNCH bunch, LUNCH lunch, CHURCH church. Now read it again. SUCH such, MUCH much, BUNCH bunch, LUNCH lunch, CHURCH church. CHAT chat, CHEEK cheek, CHICK chick, TEACH teach. Now read it again. CHAT chat, CHEEK cheek, CHICK chick, TEACH teach. CHURCH church, TORCH torch, RICH rich, BEACH beach. Now read it again. CHURCH church, TORCH torch, RICH rich, BEACH beach. CHICK chick, TEACH teach, PEACH peach. TORCH torch, RICH rich, BEACH beach, REACH reach. Now read it again. TORCH torch, RICH rich, BEACH beach, REACH reach. I hope children you will understand that how we will read the page number 54. You will read this page again and again at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you, take care and Allah Hafiz.